Every great institution begins with a heartbeat. At Pangasinan State University Bayambang campus, that heartbeat echoes through the halls of the Institute of Nursing. It is a rhythm of compassion, courage, and commitment, a pulse that transforms students into healers, educators, and leaders. Here, nursing is not just a profession, it is a promise to serve, to uplift, to never stop caring. At the Institute of Nursing, excellence is not accidental, it is planned. Through a 7-step process, every initiative flows from vision to impact. Strategic and operational planning is a collaborative rhythm, where faculty, staff, and students aligned with the university's trust in instruction, research, extension, and production. Anchored in the balanced scorecard system, every beat is purposeful, every movement aligned, every result refined. Nestled at the heart of the PSU Bayambang campus, the Institute of Nursing prioritizes not only delivering quality education, but also providing students with conducive facilities and buildings that foster holistic development and academic excellence. The heartbeat of the Institute of Nursing reaches beyond borders. With 12 partner institutions across 7 countries, the Institute of Nursing embraces global collaboration. From Universitas Erlanga to the Amerta Exchange Program, our students and faculty engage in research, immersion, and cultural exchange, nurturing globally competent nurses who carry the PSU name with pride. Because to care for the world, one must first understand it. Research is the heartbeat of transformation. At the Institute of Nursing, it is not confined to papers. It lives in policies, technologies, and classrooms. From the health risk assessment of salt farmers that shaped municipal resolutions to the patented Dimbus stethoscope that redefined clinical instruction, our research is not just published, it is practiced. It is the pulse that prepares nurses for a world that demands both intellect and empathy. And in Barangay Bani, the Institute's pulse beats in every household. Through the Isulong Kalusugan project, students and faculty deliver health education with dignity and care. Hand washing, reproductive health, STI HIV prevention. Each session is a lifeline.
Mas nalinawagan ako tungkol sa kahalagahan ng family planning at pag-aalaga sa aking kalusugan. Mas nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob at tiwala dahil alam kong may mga tamang paraan at suporta akong matatanggap mula sa aking komunidad upang maiwasan ang mas mabigat na hamon sa hinaharap.
Mas natutunan kong alagaan ang sarili ko at ang magiging anak ko. Ang family planning at reproductive health education ay nagbigay sa akin ng bagong pag-asa na kahit maaga akong naging ina, may pagkakataon pa rin akong magplano at bumangon para sa magandang kinabukasan.
Each conversation a bridge. Here, service is not an outreach, it is a heartbeat shared.
I am pleased with how they adapt with the clinical environment. Their enthusiasm, respect, and willingness to learn reflect positively with their training institution. With continued guidance and experience, they grow into competent and dedicated operating room nurses in Pangasinan Provincial Hospital.
I've had the privilege of knowing Pam for over 8 years now, and working alongside her and even supervising her directly, I can honestly say she's one of the most exceptional nurses I've ever met. Pam consistently goes above and beyond, bringing grace and professionalism, and she has a deep love of her work and to everything that she does.
A number of our pioneering staff came from PSU, and over time, they have consistently demonstrated professional competence, dedication, and strong sense of responsibility in their roles. Their foundation is solid, and they continue to apply their knowledge with confidence and compassion.
PSU graduates are well prepared when they enter the workforce. They show strong critical thinking, effective communication skill, and deep sense of responsibility in patient care. Their solid foundation in theory and hands-on training from PSU allows them to deliver safe and quality nursing care.
Excellence is not claimed, it is earned. From 2018 to 2024, PSU Bayambang's BSN graduates consistently surpass national licensure averages, peaking at 98.04% in 2024. Our graduates shine in NCLEX, CGFNS, IELTS, and HAAD or DOH, serving in hospitals across the globe. Because here, success is not a number. It is a nurse who walks into a ward ready to heal.
The PSU Institute of Nursing instilled the understanding that care does not end when the shift is over. It is a lifelong commitment to serving the vulnerable wherever they may be in the world.
They built my confidence. They have given me a good foundation in learning my nursing background, and it made me stronger. It made me a good person, a good student, and a good employee to mine.
Nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon para ipagpatuloy ang magandang simulain ng aming institute.
As we slowly went back to face-to-face classes, the university provided countless opportunities for us to continue our hands-on learning, from return demonstrations in our simulation lab to our clinical rotations in hospitals and communities. But what I appreciated the most was the sense of family within the campus. Even though we had already parted ways after I graduated, their support is still there with me.
Lagi kong baon ng mga aral at pagpapahalagang itinanim ng Pangasinan State University Institute of Nursing at nagsisilbi itong pundasyon at inspirasyon ko upang magpatuloy sa larangan ng pag-aalaga.
After I passed my nursing licensure examination and trained for 1 year, I took and passed my Saudi Prometric examination or Saudi Commission for Health Specialties and worked as an ER nurse for almost 8 years in Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I also passed my NCLEX examination last 2023 to pursue my American dream.
They harp on you, they pound the knowledge in you, and it seems hard. But then if you think about it, if you just do your job and learn and just absorb everything, then you will see that it's tough love, if you may say.
At the heart of Pangasinan State University is a living pulse, intellectual, ethical, and enduring. The Institute of Nursing is more than a program. It is a promise to educate with excellence, to serve with compassion, to lead with integrity. This is our rhythm. This is our legacy. This is the PSU Institute of Nursing.